Discover the mind-blowing adaptations of these 10 incredible animals. Number 3 will astonish you. Hey there, animal lovers! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of animals with the most intriguing adaptations. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible ways in which these creatures have evolved to survive and thrive in their environments. So, let's get started with our top 10 list of animals with the most interesting adaptations. Number 10. The mantis shrimp. These amazing creatures have the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom. Their eyes can detect polarized light and see colors that humans can't even imagine. Mantis shrimp have 16 color-receptive cones in their eyes, compared to only 3 in humans. This allows them to see a broader spectrum of colors, including ultraviolet light. Their eyes are mounted on stalks and can move independently, giving them a full 360-degree field of vision. Mantis shrimp are also known for their powerful claws, which they use to strike their prey with incredible force, comparable to the speed of a bullet. These claws come in 2 main types, the smasher and the spearer. Smasher mantis shrimp have club-like appendages that deliver devastating blows to hard-shelled prey like crabs and snails. Spearer mantis shrimp, on the other hand, have sharp, barbed claws that they use to impale soft-bodied prey like fish. The speed and power of a mantis shrimp's strike are so intense that they create cavitation bubbles, which are tiny pockets of vapor that form and collapse, producing additional shockwaves and light. This phenomenon can generate temperatures as hot as the surface of the sun, albeit for a very brief moment. Mantis shrimp are incredibly territorial and use their formidable weaponry to defend their homes and compete for mates.
Number 9. The cuttlefish. These masters of disguise can change their color and texture to blend in perfectly with their surroundings. Cuttlefish have specialized skin cells called chromatophores that expand and contract to change color. They also have other cells called iridophores and leucophores that reflect light, allowing them to create complex patterns and even mimic textures. This ability helps them avoid predators and ambush prey. Cuttlefish are also known for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities, making them one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. They have a unique W-shaped pupil that gives them excellent depth perception and the ability to see polarized light, which enhances their ability to detect prey and communicate with each other. Cuttlefish use their color-changing abilities for a variety of purposes, including camouflage, communication, and courtship displays. During mating season, males will display vibrant colors and patterns to attract females and ward off rival males. Their ability to rapidly change color also plays a crucial role in hunting, as they can blend in with their surroundings to approach prey stealthily. In addition to their remarkable camouflage, cuttlefish possess a specialized internal shell called the cuttle bone, which provides buoyancy control. This adaptation allows them to hover effortlessly in the water column and make precise movements. Cuttlefish are also equipped with 8 arms and 2 longer tentacles that they use to capture prey with lightning speed. Number 8. The pangolin. This unique mammal has a remarkable defense mechanism. When threatened, it rolls up into a tight ball, protecting itself with its tough, armored scales. Pangolins are the only mammals completely covered in scales, which are made of keratin, the same material as human hair and nails. Their scales provide excellent protection against predators, and their strong claws are used for digging into ant and termite mounds. Pangolins have a highly specialized diet, feeding almost exclusively on ants and termites, which they capture using their long, sticky tongues. Their tongues can extend up to 16 inches, allowing them to reach deep into insect nests. To protect themselves from ant bites, pangolins can close their ears and nostrils, preventing insects from entering. There are 8 species of pangolins, each adapted to different environments across Africa and Asia. Pangolins are solitary and primarily nocturnal, using their keen sense of smell to locate prey. They have poor vision but compensate with their acute olfactory senses. Despite their formidable defenses, pangolins are highly vulnerable to poaching and habitat destruction, making them one of the most trafficked mammals in the world. Pangolins play a crucial role in their ecosystems by controlling insect populations and aerating the soil through their digging activities. Conservation efforts are essential to protect these unique and ecologically significant animals from extinction. Number 7. The manta ray. With a wingspan that can reach up to 29 feet, manta rays are the gentle giants of the ocean. Their large, triangular pectoral fins allow them to glide gracefully through the water. Manta rays are filter feeders, consuming vast amounts of plankton and small fish. They have specialized gill rakers that help them filter food from the water as they swim. Manta rays are known for their intelligence and social behavior, often forming large groups and interacting with divers and snorkelers. They are capable of performing acrobatic maneuvers, such as barrel rolls and somersaults, which are thought to be part of their feeding strategy and social interactions. Manta rays communicate with each other using body language and chemical signals. There are two main species of manta rays, the reef manta ray and the giant oceanic manta ray. Both species have a unique pattern of spots on their bellies, which can be used to identify individual rays. Manta rays have a relatively slow reproductive rate, with females giving birth to a single pup every 2 to 3 years. This makes them vulnerable to overfishing and habitat degradation. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect manta rays from threats such as bycatch, habitat destruction, and the illegal trade in their gill rakers. Marine protected areas and sustainable fishing practices are essential to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures.
Number 6. The chameleon. These remarkable reptiles are famous for their ability to change color to match their environment. Chameleons have specialized cells in their skin called chromatophores that contain different pigments. By expanding and contracting these cells, they can change their color for camouflage, communication, and temperature regulation. Chameleons also have long, sticky tongues that can shoot out to catch prey with incredible speed and accuracy. Their tongues can be up to twice the length of their body and are powered by specialized muscles that enable rapid extension and retraction. Chameleons have a unique hunting strategy, using their independently moving eyes to focus on prey and then accurately targeting it with their tongue. Chameleons have zygodactylous feet, with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backward, which allow them to grasp branches and move with precision. Their prehensile tails provide additional support and balance as they navigate their arboreal habitats. There are over 200 species of chameleons, each adapted to different environments across Africa, Madagascar, and parts of Asia and Europe. Chameleons have a wide range of colors and patterns, which they use for communication and thermoregulation. Males often display vibrant colors during courtship and territorial disputes, while females may change color to signal receptiveness or stress. Chameleons have a slow and deliberate movement pattern, which helps them avoid detection by predators. They rely on their excellent camouflage and stealth to approach prey and evade threats. Chameleons are also known for their distinctive swaying motion, which mimics the movement of leaves and helps them blend in with their surroundings. Number 5. The sea cucumber. These unusual creatures have the amazing ability to regenerate lost body parts. If a sea cucumber is threatened by a predator, it can expel its internal organs, which are toxic to many predators, as a defense mechanism. The sea cucumber can then regenerate the lost organs over time. Sea cucumbers also play a vital role in their ecosystem by breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. They are found on the ocean floor, where they feed on detritus and help maintain the health of the marine environment. Sea cucumbers have a unique feeding strategy, using their tube feet to gather food particles and their tentacles to transfer the particles to their mouths.
There are over 1,700 species of sea cucumbers, each adapted to different marine environments, from shallow coastal waters to the deep sea. Sea cucumbers have a soft, elongated body and are covered in tube feet and papillae, which aid in locomotion and feeding. They have a water vascular system that enables them to move and maintain their shape. In addition to their remarkable regenerative abilities, sea cucumbers are known for their role in bioturbation, the process of mixing and aerating the sediment. This activity helps to improve nutrient cycling and promotes the growth of benthic organisms. Sea cucumbers also produce a substance called holothrin, which has antimicrobial properties and helps protect them from infections. Sea cucumbers are harvested for their culinary and medicinal value in some cultures, leading to concerns about overfishing and depletion of wild populations. Sustainable harvesting practices and marine conservation efforts are essential to ensure the long-term survival of these important marine animals. Number 4. The orangutan. These intelligent primates are known for their incredible problem-solving skills and use of tools. Orangutans have been observed using sticks to extract insects from tree bark, leaves as makeshift gloves or umbrellas, and even using branches to test water depth before crossing streams. Their ability to use tools demonstrates a high level of cognitive function and adaptability in their environment. Orangutans are native to the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, where they live a primarily arboreal lifestyle, spending most of their time in the trees. They have long, powerful arms that allow them to swing from branch to branch with ease. An adult male orangutan's arm span can reach up to 7 feet, which is longer than their height. This incredible reach aids them in navigating the dense canopy. Orangutans have a varied diet that includes fruit, leaves, bark, and insects. They are also known to consume soil and clay, which help to neutralize toxins and aid digestion. Their favorite food is durian, a spiky fruit with a strong odor, which provides essential nutrients and energy. One of the most fascinating aspects of orangutan behavior is their advanced social structure and communication. Orangutans use a variety of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body language to communicate with one another. Adult males are known for their loud, long calls, which can be heard over great distances and serve to establish territory and attract females. Orangutans exhibit a high degree of intelligence and have been observed engaging in problem-solving activities and demonstrating an understanding of cause and effect. For instance, they can learn to use different tools for specific tasks and can remember the location of fruiting trees within their home range, which can span several square kilometers. Unfortunately, orangutans are critically endangered due to habitat loss, poaching, and illegal pet trade. Deforestation for palm oil plantations and logging has significantly reduced their natural habitat, making conservation efforts essential for their survival. Various organizations are working tirelessly to protect orangutans and their habitats, promote sustainable practices, and raise awareness about their plight. Efforts to conserve orangutans include habitat restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and rehabilitation programs for rescued individuals. Rehabilitated orangutans are often reintroduced into protected areas where they can live freely and contribute to the population's recovery. Orangutans play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their forest ecosystems by dispersing seeds through their fruit consumption and movement. Their conservation is not only vital for their species, but also for the overall biodiversity of their habitat. Number 3. The octopus. These fascinating cephalopods are masters of camouflage and can change their shape to mimic other animals or blend in with their surroundings. Octopuses have specialized skin cells called chromatophores, iridophores, and leucophores that allow them to change color and texture. They can also contort their bodies to fit into small crevices and escape predators. Octopuses are highly intelligent and have been observed solving puzzles, opening jars, and using tools. They have a unique nervous system, with 2/3 of their neurons located in their arms, allowing them to control each arm independently. This decentralized nervous system enables them to perform complex tasks and exhibit remarkable problem-solving abilities. One of the most astonishing abilities of octopuses is their use of camouflage. By rapidly altering the color and texture of their skin, they can blend seamlessly with their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to predators and prey. Some species can even mimic the appearance and behavior of other marine animals, such as lionfish, flatfish, and sea snakes, to avoid detection or deter predators. Octopuses are also known for their incredible escape artistry. Their soft, flexible bodies allow them to squeeze through tiny openings and evade capture. In captivity, octopuses have been known to escape from their tanks, navigate their way to neighboring tanks to hunt for food, and return to their own tanks, leaving little evidence of their nocturnal escapades. Octopuses have a diverse diet that includes crustaceans, mollusks, and fish. They use their powerful beak, located at the center of their arms, to crack open the shells of their prey. Some species, such as the blue-ringed octopus, possess venom that can paralyze their prey and protect them from predators. Reproduction in octopuses is a unique and complex process. After mating, the female lays thousands of eggs and carefully guards them until they hatch. During this time, she does not eat and devotes all her energy to protecting and aerating the eggs. Once the eggs hatch, the female typically dies, leaving the hatchlings to fend for themselves. Octopuses are vital to their marine ecosystems as both predators and prey. They help control populations of their prey species and serve as a food source for larger marine animals. Conservation efforts are essential to protect octopuses and their habitats from threats such as overfishing, pollution, and climate change. Number 2, the panda. These adorable bears have a unique digestive system that allows them to consume bamboo, which makes up 99% of their diet. Despite being classified as carnivores, pandas have evolved to eat a primarily herbivorous diet. They have strong jaw muscles and large molars that help them crush and chew tough bamboo stalks. Pandas have a specialized wrist bone that functions as a thumb, allowing them to grasp and manipulate bamboo with precision. Pandas have a slow metabolism, which is adapted to their low-energy diet of bamboo. They spend the majority of their day eating, consuming up to 40 pounds of bamboo daily. While bamboo is not nutritionally rich, it is abundant in their natural habitat, providing a reliable food source. One of the most fascinating aspects of panda behavior is their playfulness and social interactions. While they are generally solitary animals, pandas do engage in social behaviors, especially during mating season. Cubs stay with their mothers for about 18 months before becoming independent. Pandas are native to the mountainous regions of central China, where they live in temperate forests with dense bamboo understories. Their distinctive black and white fur provides camouflage and the dappled light of their forest habitat. The black patches around their eyes may help reduce glare and improve their vision. Conservation efforts have been successful in increasing panda populations thanks to habitat restoration, anti-poaching measures, and breeding programs. However, pandas remain vulnerable due to habitat loss and fragmentation. Preserving their natural habitat and continuing conservation efforts are crucial for their survival. Pandas play an essential role in their ecosystem by promoting bamboo forest growth and maintaining the biodiversity of their habitat. Their conservation is vital for the health of their environment and the species that share it. Number 1, the hummingbird. These tiny birds have the incredible ability to hover in midair and fly backwards thanks to their unique wing structure and rapid wing beats. Hummingbirds can flap their wings up to 80 times per second, creating a figure-8 motion that allows them to hover with precision. This remarkable flight ability enables them to access nectar from flowers that other birds cannot reach. Hummingbirds have a high metabolism and need to consume large amounts of nectar to fuel their energy demands. They visit hundreds of flowers each day and play a crucial role in pollination, transferring pollen between flowers and contributing to the health of their ecosystems. One of the most astonishing aspects of hummingbirds is their iridescent plumage, which can appear to change color depending on the angle of the light. This iridescence is due to the microscopic structure of their feathers, which refracts light and produces vibrant, shimmering colors. Hummingbirds have excellent memories and can remember the locations of individual flowers and feeders within their territory. They can also recall the timing of when each flower was last visited and when it will produce nectar again. This cognitive ability allows them to maximize their foraging efficiency and conserve energy. In addition to nectar, hummingbirds consume small insects and spiders to obtain essential proteins and nutrients. They have specialized tongues with a brush-like tip that allows them to lap up nectar with incredible speed. Hummingbirds are found throughout the Americas, from Alaska to Tierra del Fuego, with the highest diversity in the tropical regions of Central and South America. There are over 300 species of hummingbirds, each with unique adaptations to their environment. Despite their small size, hummingbirds are territorial and will aggressively defend their feeding territories from intruders. They use aerial displays and vocalizations to establish dominance and ward off rivals. Hummingbirds are also known for their incredible migratory journeys. Some species, such as the ruby-throated hummingbird, migrate thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds, demonstrating remarkable endurance and navigational skills. Conclusion: that concludes our journey through the top 10 animals with the most interesting adaptations. From the complex eyes of the mantis shrimp to the incredible flight abilities of the hummingbird, these remarkable creatures demonstrate the astonishing ways in which life on Earth has evolved to survive and thrive in diverse environments. These incredible adaptations highlight the ingenuity and resilience of the natural world, and they remind us of the importance of conserving and protecting these unique species and their habitats. By understanding and appreciating the remarkable diversity of life on our planet, we can contribute to the efforts to preserve and protect our natural heritage for future generations. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fascinating animal facts. Join us on our next adventure as we continue to explore the wonders of wildlife and uncover the secrets of the animal kingdom. See you next time.